Today, I'm going to provide a brief introduction to Atlas. Atlas is a web-based, open-source software application developed by the Odyssey community to support the design and execution of observational analyses to generate real-world evidence from patient-level observational data. Atlas is an open science analytics platform that can be installed locally within your institution to perform analyses across one or more observational databases which have been standardized to the OMOP Common Data Model and can facilitate exchange of analysis designs with any other organizations across the Odyssey community who have adopted the same open science community standards and tools. Atlas is free and publicly available by anyone who's interested in using it. Now let's take a brief look at the features available in Atlas version 2.7.2. Here I'm starting on the Atlas homepage, and on the left-hand side of the screen you can see a menu of different analytic options. So what I'd like to do is briefly describe to you what each of these capabilities provide. The first one is data sources. Data sources provides the capability to look at descriptive standardized reporting for each of the data sources that you have configured within your Atlas platform. Here you're able to understand populations and understand the data elements that are available. The search function that's available allows you to explore the OMOP standardized vocabularies to understand what concepts exist within those vocabularies and how to apply those concepts in your standardized analysis against your data sources. Concept sets is the ability to create your own list of codes that you're going to use throughout your standardized analyses. So by searching the vocabulary and identifying the sets of terms that you're interested in, you can save those and reuse them in all of your analyses. Cohort definitions is the ability to construct a set of persons who satisfy one or more criteria for a duration of time, and these cohorts can then serve as the basis of inputs for all of your subsequent analyses. Characterisations is an analytic capability that allows you to look at one or more cohorts that you've defined and to summarize characteristics about those patient populations. Cohort Pathways is an analytic tool that allows you to look at the sequence of clinical events that occur within one or more populations. Incidence Rates is a tool that allows you to estimate the incidence of outcomes within target populations of interest. Profiles is a tool that allows you to explore an individual patient's longitudinal observational data to summarize what is going on within a given individual. Estimation is a capability to allow you to conduct population-level effect estimation studies using a comparative cohort design, whereby comparisons between one or more target and comparator cohorts can be explored for a series of outcomes. And prediction is a capability to allow you to apply machine learning algorithms to conduct patient-level prediction analyses, whereby you can predict an outcome within any given target exposures. In subsequent videos, we'll be going through the details of each of these analytic capabilities. For more information on Odyssey, including additional details on using Atlas, check us out at odyssey.org.